off into the night, let's shake it off.
So OpenAI released their first AI agent a couple of hours ago. They are calling it Operator. That is basically an AI agent that can use its own browser to perform tasks for you. As for today, it is available for pro users in the US. Now, I have created already one guide on how to use this AI agent for finance. I will leave the link below so that you can download this PDF, and I am outlining different things like how exactly you can use it, top 10 things that you can try with Operator specifically for finance and FP&A, and also a little bit about safety, privacy, and even what is next in terms of Operator. Now, I want to show you a couple of the items that OpenAI already. It is powered by a new model called Computer Using Agent, or CUA. Now, it is combining the capabilities of ChatGPT 4.0 with also advanced reasoning through reinforcement learning. And this computer using agent is basically trained to interact with different graphical user interfaces, or GUIs. Now, Operator can see through different screenshots and interact with the browser. In here, I'll leave you a quick schematic on exactly how this computer using agent will be working. But basically, you will be giving as a user the input to this CUA, and it will start taking screenshots as images, and from there, it will be using actions in order to interact with your screen. Now, a couple of different evaluations already happened, and a couple of different examples are here as well, available in the links that I'll be giving you below, such as grammar quiz, trial refunds, update licenses, find customers, and even when we go a little bit below, it also shows examples for download lectures, let's say, or combining PDFs, compressing images, calculating price, that, as you can see here, is the user prompt, then the computer initializes and then take different screenshots in order to actually calculate this price. You can also do exporting images like charts, for example, and finding different files. Now, I'll be sharing all of these links below with you, and also the guide that I created for what specifically you can try with this AI agent for FP&A, like automating data extraction, consolidating data across multiple platforms, and even updating rolling forecasts. Thanks for watching. There are a couple of videos in the internet showing different actions on Operator. This one, for example, it is testing Operator on how to get news about different cryptocurrencies. So as you can see in here, Operator is opening relevant articles and even encountering some CAPTCHA verifications. Now, in there, for example, you already completed it, and then Operator is going to the browser and then getting the informations about these different AI tokens in this case. Now, as you can see, this loading area in here is when Operator is performing its task. And now in the top, you can see that it's refining the search for the tokens, and as well that it's analyzing the data. As you can see right now, the browser is moving as well, and then going and refining the search as well. Opening different tabs, for example, and waiting for it to open, scrolling the article for all of these insights, and then giving you the answer in here below. This is one of the examples that we can see on Operator. One of the other examples is Operator being used to book a one-way flight from Zurich to Vienna on a Friday. So as you can see in here, then it sends the prompt, and then Operator is navigating to a website, in this case booking.com, in order to look for this specific flight of a one-way from Zurich to Vienna. Now you keep seeing the loading part in there, and even it's correcting the dates as it appeared at the top. And as you can see below, it has already found some flights in there. Now it is summarizing then for the user the flight options from Zurich to Vienna in this case, and then going ahead and selecting this one, the departing one at 7:20 a.m. Now you are in control still, so it will ask you if you are okay with it booking the flight. So then you say yes, proceed, and then in this case you can also select which specific tariff you choose, and after that, then Operator would be booking the flight. So this was the second of the examples that are being shown. Now let's go and see one more. So with this one, it's trying to find the best health insurance coverage in Switzerland. Now, it's already thinking and going to the browser, the Operator browser, and trying to search for this cheapest health insurance in Switzerland, at first for different articles, and exploring some comparison tools in order to perform the task. Now, after that, it's loading the actual website, and then Operator is now clicking compare now for insurance in this case. As you can see, it's scrolling for in here for general insurance options and returning to search these results for different articles. Now, everything is happening in the Operator browser at this stage. And as you can see, then it can go to different websites and then performing these tasks, even switching tabs in order to be able to search for these different resources. So this is another example of how Operator from OpenAI can help you.